We found a tree with branches wide, a perfect place for us to hide. First we get our yellow hat and find a place where the ground is flat. We need a hammer, we need a saw, the bestest house you ever saw. Build it up high in the sky, where the happy birds fly by. Measure once and measure twice, making everything look nice. Hammer, hammer, tap, tap, tap. Working with a clap, clap, clap. One big board and two small nails. We're building fast, we never fail. Up the ladder, 1, 2, 3, nailing wood onto the tree. Be careful now, hold it tight, we'll finish it before the night. Now it's time to add the paint. Blue and green, don't be faint. A little window, a little door, a soft red rug upon the floor. Build it up high in the sky, where the happy birds fly by. Measure once and measure twice, making everything look nice. Hammer, hammer, tap, tap, tap. Working with a clap, clap, clap. Now our tree house is all done, ready for some summer fun.